Welcome to alphamantraining.com, and on July 19 all products will cost 5 times more and price will never change. It means it is the best chance for you to get these products for the best price. So you go to alphamantraining.com, you click products and you insert into the cart, order all products. Why? Because otherwise you will fail in training. 85% of our students may fail in training. In order to not fail in our training, you need to order all products. Then you pay deposit instantly. You order all products, you pay deposit for training. Why? Because we see you on our customer list, we respect you, and we want to work with you. Then you pay deposit for training, and you start to prepare for training. It means you watch all those products. You will put yourself into the state that you will want to watch those products, to read a book, to get all knowledge. Otherwise, if you will invest just $20, you will never put yourself into the state that you committed and you want to change. You will not look it seriously. So you need to invest all your energy, time, money. It's lifetime project. So you buy all products when you make first Alphaman training. When after Alphaman training we support you over the Skype, and then you do second time Alphaman training after like 1 month. When once again we support you over the Skype, and then once again you do Alphaman training. That's how you do this lifetime project. Why? Because otherwise you will become beta male. If you will stop doing this, you will become beta male. Because your friends, relatives, we want to see you as a beta male. We want to put you in that state, of beta male. So be very careful. Think it is a lifetime investment. Once you will purchase all our products, we will see, oh, this guy, look to this training seriously. We will show you respect. We will want to work with you, and we will have connection. Trainings will be more easier. So you will prepare for training, and it will be easier for us and for you. So let me